What's up, speed fans? The Mercedes-AMG PureSpeed has officially dropped, making its grand world premiere at the Formula 1 Abu Dhabi Grand Prix. This isn't just a car, it's the first ever model in the exclusive Mercedes Benz Mythos series, limited to just 250 units worldwide. And trust me, this machine is rewriting the rulebook for open-top performance cars. Imagine a car with no roof, no windscreen, and nothing separating you from the elements. The PureSpeed offers the most visceral driving experience, taking you straight into the heart of motorsport. Michael Skeeb, CEO of Mercedes-AMG, says it best, the Mercedes-AMG PureSpeed is the most direct way to experience performance and fun at the wheel. Its design reinterprets legendary racing cars and inspires at a glance and behind the wheel. Taking cues from the Mercedes-AMG 1 hypercar, the PureSpeed's low silhouette, shark nose, and aerodynamic carbon fiber elements scream high-performance elegance. But it's the details that steal the show. 21-inch forged aluminium wheels with carbon fiber covers reduce drag and improve cooling. An innovative halo system replaces the A-pillar, providing Formula 1-inspired safety and style, complete with ambient lighting. Exclusive silver Aero Mystic Silver Magno finish, or go bold with the optional motorsport styling package in Le Mans red or graphite gray. Oh, and those helmets? They're custom designed, aerodynamically optimized, and come with an intercom system for crystal clear communication at high speeds. Under the hood, the AMG 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine roars with 585 PS and 800 Nm of torque, launching you from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.6 seconds with a top speed of 315 km per hour. Combined with the AMG SpeedShift MCT9G transmission and fully variable AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive, the PureSpeed is a beast on the road. Active aerodynamics like an extendable rear spoiler and a carbon fiber underbody profile enhance stability and precision, while active rear axle steering ensures razor-sharp handling, whether on twisty roads or high-speed straights. Step inside the two-tone crystal white/black interior, and you're greeted with AMG Performance seats, a bespoke IWC Schaffhausen analog clock, and a Burmester high-end 3D surround sound system that'll have you feeling like you're at an open-air concert. With only 250 models available, each PureSpeed is marked with a 1 of 250 badge. Even when it's parked, a custom weatherproof or indoor AMG car cover keeps this masterpiece protected. Why the Mercedes-AMG PureSpeed matters. This car isn't just about speed or luxury, it's a tribute to motorsport heritage, inspired by icons like the 300 SLR. It's a driving experience like no other, designed for those who crave the thrill of the road in its purest form. Hit that like button if this masterpiece has you dreaming of open roads, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic automotive first looks.